Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today I'm going to give you guys a short walkthrough of this 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Starting off, this Boston Whaler is powered by a Mercury 115, and as you can see it also has a small swim platform here with a ladder on the back. You've got two seats back here, and then the backrest can actually be taken out, and that'll give you some extra rod holders as well. Your captain's chair can be moved forward or rear facing, and then underneath the seat there is a cooler there for storage. Boat also does come with a sim rad, and then there's a compass up there as well as some cup holders. Moving up to the bow, you can see there is low profile railing on this Boston Whaler. Then you've got another seat up front with the seat cushion actually being attached to that cooler up there, so you can remove the cooler if you don't want the seat. And then you've also got your seating up here at the bow, and those can be taken out to make a large casting platform, and there's some storage underneath there as well. So if you like this Boston Whaler or any other boat you see in our inventory, feel free to give us a call or stop by MarineMax Grand Lake today. Thanks.